Can you hear that? Echo, echo, echo. We need to fix that. Coming up next week with rugs and furniture and adding warmth and a sound barrier. Well, friends, we packed, we loaded, and we moved, and we're here. And love this place, absolutely love it. I've already started decorating, and I'm gonna be sharing all of that next week. In today's video, it's just a simple empty house tour. And you're gonna see how this place comes alive starting next week. The move went great. We only had 2 items break, and I would say that is one successful pack, load, and get it in the house job. So before we get into the tour, this is a 3-story townhouse. Huge ceilings. I think they're 9-10 foot in some areas. Lots of space, lots of storage, 2-car garage, 3,300 square feet. So it's a great size townhouse, not too big, not too small, it's just perfect. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Definitely should have brought more furniture because I am already looking around going, I need to put a console cabinet there, or I need to put another table over there, or a mirror there. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'll roll the footage of the empty house tour. It's not too long, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, as you enter through the door, you'll see a staircase which leads to the 2nd level. To the left of the door is what they consider another bedroom, but we're actually going to make it a second family room / office. So it has a lot of great storage and cabinetry, which is really nice. I love the big, tall, frosted glass doors. It has a big walk-in closet with shelving and a full-size bathroom down here. Okay, so as you go out these double doors, you'll see an area over there. We're not sure what we're gonna do with that, but it's almost like a little, I guess, mudroom area. Not sure yet, but here we go up the stairs to the 2nd level, and we are right into the family room with a beautiful brick wall, an open kitchen, and a dining room to the far left. Now, right over here, you're going to see these big sliding glass doors that lead out to a patio area, which is really nice with Edison lights and a retractable screen, which turns it into almost like a 4 Seasons room. It's just wonderful. All right, heading into the kitchen, we have this mammoth-sized kitchen island, and we have a little coffee bar with a wine refrigerator, and then over there, lots and lots of cabinetry. There's also a large walk-in pantry with a big, tall glass frosted door, which is really cool. Now we're going to be moving into the dining room, and it's wonderful. There's lots and lots of space in here for a big table and chairs and hutch. We're going to be replacing that chandelier with something beautiful, and as you go down this way, there's a little bathroom tucked behind there that's really cute. Here's the outdoor space, and we just love it with that big retractable shade. Super cool. We're going to put a TV out there for those cool fall nights, and we can also open the glass windows and let the cool fall air in. All right, now we're up on the 3rd level. Very tall ceilings and 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. We already have our furniture in there, and it's looking so cute. I love it. Lots of closet space, and I like how they used wardrobes so your clothes don't get all dusty. But there's one closet there, and then there's another one to the right, but we're going to go into the master bath real quickly. Your basic master bath. Now here's another closet with open shelving, and now we're going to go into this hallway, And all the way down, here's the laundry room to the right. Here's the bathroom. And here's a bedroom with a bathroom. And here's another bedroom. All right, let's walk down the hallway and head back downstairs. You guys know how much I love the exposed brick at our loft apartment, so I am really loving the fact that we've got exposed brick not only in the dining room, but also in the family room. And this is a cute little powder room on the second floor. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed the empty house tour. Come back and see me because I'm gonna make it beautiful starting next week. I already started yesterday, and it was funny because when the guys were bringing in the boxes, I was already going to town decorating the kitchen and the family room. And by the time they were done, they paid me the nicest compliment. They came up and they said, wow, you're really making this a home. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So that was really nice that they noticed, you know? So I will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. And anyway, I will see you guys back here next week. Have a great one. Bye, guys.